one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
And what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Y'all seen the title, you seen the thumbnail, man. Today we're gonna be checking out a Black Diamond Audio Dia-P3600 4-channel amplifier, man. Small, compact, and it's not gonna break the bank to get your doors or your horns or whatever loud. So if y'all interested in checking this amplifier out, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. And this is the very first video on this channel of the new year. So thanks for all the love and support. This year we are definitely going up. I got huge plans for this channel this year, guys. Definitely more uploads, definitely more consistent uploads. And yeah, we going up this year. So I want to wish all you guys peace, blessings, prosperity, and abundance this year, man, because we are going up. Nothing but positive energy this year, man. Nothing but positive energy. But with all that said, let's get into the review, because I know y'all want to check this amplifier out, man. Black Diamond Audio Dia-P3600 4-channel amplifier. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so we have the Black Diamond Dia-P3600. It's a 4-channel stereo digital full range amplifier, man, and it's a very small amplifier. Like I said in the intro, it's really centered for you guys that kind of limited on space. So we open the box. It comes with foam insulating, which is always a good thing. Comes with your owner's manual, couple pages. We're gonna skim through that and read the specs after a while. And it also comes with a caution card. It states on here, you know, it can't be wired lower than 1 ohm. It's good it comes with a caution card for the simple fact that there's a lot of guys that still new to car audio, and you wouldn't want them buying this amplifier trying to hook it up to some subwoofers lower than 1 ohm and run into issues. So that's a good thing. And here's the amplifier itself in all of its glory. And let me tell you guys, it's not a very big amp as far as size, but as far as weight, oh, she got some weight to her, man. So that may mean that she got some stout internals, man. This joker may be a whole budget gem, man. Like, it's heavy, guys. It's definitely heavy. And I'm not exaggerating. But we're going to rip it out of the plastic in 1 second. But this is the amplifier itself. And we're going to get a good once over. All right. In the bottom of the box, you get your Allen keys. And look like mounting screws. So that's a good thing. Have to keep up with those. And that's basically it as far as the packaging in the box. Came box, very nice. Real nice box itself, very presentable, look very professional. Let's go to the back of the box and see what type of ratings she have. All right, so total power watts at peak 7,200 watts. RMS power at 4 ohms, 400 watts times 4. RMS power at 2 ohms, 680 watts times 4. RMS power at 4 ohm bridge, 1200 watts times 2. The audio frequency range is anywhere from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Signal to noise ratio is 90 dB. Efficiency at 4 ohms is 85%. Not bad. Total harmonic distortion is 1%. Low level input range 0.2 volts to 6 volts. So that's pretty good too. Selectable crossover, full range, low pass and high pass. And it also features it's a digital amplifier, stereo, full range, 4 channels. The minimum impeded load is 2 ohms, stereo, and 4 ohms bridged. It has an LED indicator, power, protect, and clipping. So you will know when you clipping with this amp. That is a great feature. Great feature. And we'll make it very easy to tune this amp as well with that clip indicator. Power input terminal size 0 gauge. Let y'all see that. It says 0 gauge. So you can get some 0 gauge in this small amplifier. We're gonna check that out. The fuse side, 280 amps. Thermal protection, overload protection, DC output protection, short circuit output protection, voltage input protection, and clipping protection. Finish is black and satin. Very, very presentable box. And from the description on the box itself, guys, this joker may be a absolute beast. So we're gonna rip it out the plastic because it is brand new. Catch it, y'all caught that? Like literally, guys, look, y'all see how my arm kind of straining to hold it, little joker? Like, boy, she's small, but she is heavy, man. Like, it's very heavy. Very heavy. But y'all can see this, the top of it, man. You got your clip indicator, the power, and the protect indicator at the top. Come right here to the sides. You have all your inputs for your channels. Look like they can probably fit maybe 8 gauge max. If y'all can see that, probably fit 8 gauge max. Now what I'm impressed about is the power input, the ground input terminals, man, because most of the time when you get a 4-channel amplifier, man, the power inputs look like the speaker outputs. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's very rare, unless you just really spending a ton of money, man, that you'll find a 4-channel with 0 gauge capable inputs. Now, would it be able to fit something like Sky High Audio True 0 gauge? That's to be tested, but you can get some 0 gauge in it. Like I said, it's very rare that you'll find one like that. But this is the business end. You got your high pass filter, your low pass filter, full range. You got your gain. Let's take these off. Let's see. All right, your RCA terminals. They're not Tiffany style, but they are very sturdy. They don't feel cheap, don't feel flimsy at all. It's very sturdy. And I'm gonna keep stressing to you guys, this is a heavy little amplifier, man. Very heavy. On your other side, you got pretty much the same, guys. It mirrors the other side for your different channels. I'm about to set the camera up again, get a screwdriver, and we're gonna go on the inside. I want to see why this joker is so heavy, man. This joker got some weight to it to be so small. All right, guys, I finally found my little screwdriver, so we about to break the seal on it. And if you're watching this video, guys, you know, you do this at your own risk, because once you break this seal and the company found out that you have been on the inside of the amp, they can void your warranty. So you do this type of stuff right here at your own risk. Yeah, I just had to put that out there because if you have problems with your amplifier and you send it in and they actually see that this seal has been broken, they ain't gonna warranty it. They ain't gonna give you a warranty because they feel like you went on the inside and went to tinkering with stuff. So my thing would be, if you don't actually know what you're doing when it comes to opening the back of that amp up, trying to figure out what's going on, leave it alone. Send it back to them. Either get another one or get it fixed, or however they do that process. So I'm only doing this because this amplifier was sent out to me for review, and thank God that I'm actually able to hold on to it after the review. All right, so, oh man, Joker almost look like a Scar RP version of an amplifier on the inside. Now, I'm gonna be all the way honest with you guys. I'm gonna flip it around because it looked like the circuit board was yeah, there's it. I don't know much about the guts of the amp, but most of y'all may. Only thing I know about amplifiers are the MOSFET. That's it. That's the only thing I know about the circuit board. I know, you know, your power outputs right here, your speaker outputs right there, but the rest of this stuff y'all looking at, BassAddict don't know anything about it. But like I just told y'all, for it to be such a small amp, it definitely has weight to it. Doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel like it just throwed together. It don't even look like it just throwed together. And y'all got to understand, Black Diamond Audio is like a sister or parent company of DS18. So the quality is there. This just a more affordable brand of DS18, Black Diamond Audio. But like I say, y'all can see it in all this glory, man. Y'all may know more about that, but I just had to show y'all that. So we have the owner manual right here. We're gonna skim through it real fast. As you guys see, they make the 1000, the 2000, 1800, 1500, 2500, and the 3600, which is the one we just looked at. So we're gonna skim through this real fast. And there's a lot of stuff, a lot of information right here, guys, that I'm gonna be honest that I'm not about to read. So if y'all want to read that, y'all are welcome to pause the video, screenshot it, or whatever the case may be. But BassAddict is not about to read all that, I'm gonna be honest. They're giving you specs on the 2500 and the 1800. They telling you what the LED indicators are, which we should all know. If y'all watching this video, y'all ought to know what these lights are on the amplifier. Y'all already know what those signify. Again, you installation instruction to the head unit. More installation instructions on how to hook certain subwoofers up at certain ohms. Like I said, if y'all want to check out any of the information, pause the video, screenshot it, or whatever you got to do. But we just gonna skim through it. We're gonna roll and breeze right on through it. I'm trying to find the information on the one we have because I am curious as to the specs on the size and all that good stuff, guys. All right, here we go, right here. Here we go. We got the 3600, as y'all can see. Those are the specs that I just read off the box. And the overall length, that's what I'm looking for, the measurements. The overall length is 12.36 inches, which is 314 millimeters. Overall width is 6.1 inches, and that's 155 millimeters. Overall height, 2 inches flat, 52.8 millimeters. Heat sink length, 11.41 inches, which is 290 millimeters. So y'all done seen the breakdown of the amplifier. Y'all done even seen the specs and just the build quality on the amplifier. The choice is yours. Do you think this amplifier will be a good implication to your build? It's up to you. I'm just here to lay down the facts and present the product, not pushing anything on anybody. The link will be in the description below, man. BigJeffAudio.com. and use discount code BassAddict, man, for a discount on the amplifier. Right now, I think the amplifier is not even over $200. So even with the discount, bro, you'll get a pretty good, well-built amplifier. And if the specs is true, it might be a steal, guys, for the price that they have it listed for. If you're looking to power your mid-range, mid-bass, tweeters, horns, etc., might be a steal. And it's small and compact, so you can save some space as well. But like I say, I'm just a messenger. It's your choice if you feel like it's something you can rock with or something you just want to check out. But this is your boy BassAddict checking out with another video. Y'all see we got storms rolling in, man. I don't know what the hell this weather doing. 1 minute it's cold, 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it want to snow and rain. I'm just here, man. Thank y'all for all the love and support, man. We are
Sweet dreams, they can start off as nightmares, yeah. You can voice your opinion, but who really cares, yeah. Niggas saying that I motherfucking been here before. Like I got a whole soul, you know. We cool. Not that same dude back in high school. Trials and tribulation had to make